Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is prawn puffs, which is a simply delicious and light snack which is made of puff pastries and filled in with a prawn filling with the spices of your choice. So let's go ahead and see the preparation of this delicious and mouth-watering recipe. For the ingredients, you have 2 large finely chopped onions, 300 grams of prawns. This could be frozen or could be fresh, which are again diced into fine pieces, 2 green chilies, or you can adjust the spice accordingly, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt. Take a medium pan and add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up for a while. Now add in the finely chopped onion and let it cook for a while until it's translucent. Now add in some salt. Let this mixture cook for another minute. Now add in the prawns. Give this a quick mix. Now is the time you add in your green chilies and mix well. After a couple of minutes, add in 1 tablespoon of the coriander powder. Along with it goes in the 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all of the ingredients together and let this mixture cook. Now that our mixture is ready, turn off the flame and let the mixture cool down completely before filling it into the puffs. While the mixture is cooling down, so let's begin with cutting the puff pastry. I have these egg tarts, which are also known as baskets. So let's start with cutting the puff pastries into the desired shapes. For a measurement, just take in 1 shell or 1 basket. Place it in the center and then just draw a little line just that you know where to cut the puff pastry from. So do the same thing, place it onto the other one and just trim a line. So I'm gonna do the same to the next one and just draw a line, and that would be the remaining one. So all you have to do is cut it accordingly. So just give it a quick little cut. You don't need this, so basically just push the knife through and cut it, and just the last one, just hold it in here and cut it through. So we're gonna use the same one to measure and cut the other one, so into the square shape. So you exactly need 3 of these. So take it, measure it, just do a little pointer down there, move on to the next one, do the same thing, and that's the 3rd one. Now that you have the measurement, just try and cut them equally. So the same way goes here. You want this to get exactly fitted in. Now you have to do is take in the pastry sheet, and this side is a little sticky, so do not use this side. Use the other side, which is non-sticky, and place it just like that. Stick it in. Make sure you stick it right in, just the way I show you, and the excess just trim it down in, just like that, because if you cut it through the side, then it won't give you the proper shape. So just try and trim it down. Do not add too much of pressure, just gentle fingers. So I'm gonna show you another one. So once this is done, and just set it aside. So take the other one. Once you pull it up, just remember to use the top surface, not the bottom one. Shape it exactly. Do not add the pressure. And keep it to one side. As you can see that our tartlets are ready. So now is the time. I'm gonna show you how to shape the actual toppers. So set this aside. Take in the egg tart and cut the shape. Just press it down, hold it, and cut the shape. Press it down firmly. Just like that. And so there you go. So here is the topper. So what you have to do is slightly pinch the sides or just use a knife. Just that way, because you need to pull the sides out. So do that, and there you go. You have the top cover. So this will go onto the tart, just like that, to cover it. So let's go ahead and shape out the remaining of the egg tarts onto the, just like that. Take it out. Cut the shapes. And there you go. You have the second one ready. Use the same process until you cut out all of the top covers and set aside. With all of the remaining pieces of the pastry, do not waste it. All I do is take in the remaining pieces and try and fill it in to the cup, because what's the point in wasting it? And gently give it a quick press. Fill all of the pastries. Do not apply too much of pressure. This might be a little bit sticky because these are just the remaining pieces of the pastry sheet. So for the cover, what you're gonna do is the remaining pastry sheet, just cut it. Just give it a quick cut. It will be half the thing, but it's fine because you do not have the enough. So leave it one side. Do the same to the other one. Cut it. And then cut it this way. Cut this into two. You should make use of everything, so do not throw away anything. So leave it aside. I have here 15 of the tarts which are filled in. These 12 are the proper ones, and these are the bits from the remaining pastry sheet. Now this is the prepared prawn mixture which I had prepared earlier and which is cooled down completely. Take in a teaspoon of the mixture and then fill it into the tarts. Just a teaspoon. So the remaining one, just check and fill in whatever you see is less. Just try and cover all of the tarts equally. Now is the time you cover your tarts. Just take in a bowl of water, or a cup of water, and dip your finger into the cup of water and apply it onto the sides of the tarts. Then take in the cutout shape and just gently press it. Do not press it too hard, just slightly cover it, because we have covered this with water, so it will act as a glue. Just gently press it and leave it one side. So I'll show you another one. Just dip your finger into the bowl of water, take in the cups and exactly place it onto the top, just like that, and gently press it. Just a gentle touch. These are all of the egg tarts which are ready. Now we have to brush them with egg wash. Take in your bowl, break an egg, take in the brush, just whisk it in. Our egg wash is ready. Take in the brush into the egg wash. Take in the tart and just apply it onto the top and set aside. Continue the same process until you brush all of the egg tarts with the egg wash. Now add in all of the tartlets onto your baking tray and bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see that our delicious and golden brown prawn puffs are ready. Allow the prawn puffs to cool down completely before demolding them. After they have cooled down completely, take in the puffs and there they are. You can see that's the exact shape of a puff. This is exactly how the prawn puff should look like. So that it is my simple and easy mouth-watering prawn puff recipe. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more upcoming recipes. God bless you guys.